One of the solutions we can also try to do to solve the problem of the yellow triangle, unidentified network, or limited internet access is that we'll have to make sure that all the drivers have been installed. So all what we'll have to do, we go to the search loop and we type device manager.
We will open it.
So as you can see, the device manager has opened. So we'll go and check networks or network adapters. We'll click on this arrow. Here we have all the drivers for all the devices. So all of them have been installed. If we saw the same small yellow triangle next to one of these, it means that there is no driver installed, and then we would have to install it. But in my case, everything is installed. However, if you find any driver missing or identified as unknown device, then I will suggest to you to click on that unknown device with the right button of the mouse. You can click on properties, and from there you will click on drivers, or you can go to details, and from details you will check for compatible IDs. We can go just to hardware IDs. As you can see, property hardware IDs, and we can just copy or type this value into our browser. But first, make sure that you connect an internet cable if it works. If only the Wi-Fi which is not working, then you can just plug a cable to your computer and try to look and install the driver accordingly. Otherwise, you can use another computer to download a tool called Pack Driver, and the tool will be able to help you to solve the problem. So let's go step by step. So now we know our drivers which are missing, so we can just close this. If any driving is missing, we'll just close it, and we will just, in your case, you will just plug your internet cable. So after plugging your internet cable, we'll just go to your browser and you will type driver pack space solution. We'll look for driver pack solution. We'll click driver pack solution download free, and we will install our required drivers. We'll just click on it. We'll save the file. As soon as the file is downloaded, we will just execute the file or the software, run. We will have to wait just a few seconds, up to 1 minute, and the software will be working accordingly. We'll close our browser. You will have to wait up to maximum 1 minute so that your software recognizes the drivers and check for online updates. As you can see, the software is showing the application. We are checking, we are analyzing, we are generating the driver's installation order. So within this software, you will have just to go to expert mode, and from here, before installing all drivers, I will just go to software. I will uncheck all of these softwares because I don't need them to be installed, because the system will try to install them automatically for me. And I will make sure to untick from protection and cleanup so that the software doesn't disinstall any application. I will select also this one to not be installed, and then I will go back. I'll just confirm and go back to drivers, and now I can do the installation. Why I deselected these items? I do not want this software to install any browsers or any antivirus, and I do not want this software to install any application which I have installed personally. So we'll go back to drivers. You will click install, and as soon as we have clicked install, all the drivers will be installed, and then the operation is done. And if this still, after a restart, if this still didn't solve the issue, then you can go to the third solution, which is resetting your router, which we will see in the next video.